Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix can't click anything on your desktop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to click anything on your screen of your desktop or laptop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you 3 to 4 steps you can try and fix these issues by these steps. The first step is you can open the task manager. Just right click on the start menu, then click on task manager. Here you need to find Windows Explorer. Right click on that, then click on restart. After that, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then the second method is you can check by restarting your laptop or desktop. After that, the third method is just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes, then type here sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, you have to type the second command, which is open the cmd again, run as administrator again. Then here you need to type dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Then hit enter. It will also take some time. After completion of this, you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix can't click anything on desktop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.